What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Get Free with Annie. That's me. I'm Annie, and my channel is all about finding you ways to get free through passive income and live the life that you want to live. If that sounds good to you, then click subscribe and follow my channel for more ways to do that. Let's get right into this one today. So what are we talking about today? This one's called Amazon Children's Book Publishing Formula, and it's a complete training program and formula showing you how to research, write, and publish a best-selling children's book to generate passive income within the next 48 hours. This might be my absolute favorite way to generate passive income online that I have found, and I have done at least 100 videos, so that's saying something. This one is my favorite by far. So who was this created by? His name is Jay Boyer, and he's a down-to-earth guy who just created this business with his 10-year-old son. They decided to start writing a children's book, and it just blew up from there. He is a top 500 Amazon author. He has scored over a dozen #1 best-selling children's books. He currently has 16 books published on Amazon, and he generates 7 figures per year doing this with his son and the rest of his family. So he is a legit dude. He's not just some guy who made up this program and doesn't actually do it himself. He does everything that he teaches you how to do in this program, and he calls it a formula because he has literally perfected a formula that he will give to you, and you can just copy and paste it into your business yourself. So what's different about this training program than all the other hundreds of programs you've seen on the internet promising you how to make passive income? It's actually fun. This one is actually fun. You can do it with your family, you can do it with your kids, you can have fun doing it. It's not like you're just trying to sell people things or help businesses make more money or, learn some kind of software or marketing technique. You're actually having fun creating children's books, and you could actually do it with your kids or your partner or your grandkids. Like, it's just actually fun. So I really haven't seen any other courses or training programs that are showing you how to do something that you could actually really have a fun time doing and that you could do with your family. So that is a big difference for this one. So what's included in this training program? First of all, Jay, the creator, gives you his #1 best-selling, most profitable children's book niche. He also gives you his top 3 secrets to publishing a #1 best-selling children's book. #1 is how to come up with a best-selling children's book idea in 3 minutes, even if you've never done anything like this before. #2 is how to load up your children's book with illustrations that kids will love, even if you don't know how to even draw a straight line. And #3 is how to publish and launch your children's book and send it to the Amazon bestseller list within 48 hours. That's huge. He also gives you his formula that he used to create a #1 best-selling children's book. He shows you how to create a free bonus offer to grab people's attention. He teaches you how to create an email database of book buyers so that you can sell to them over and over again. He gives you a complete guide on how to market your book. He gives you a bunch of quick start book templates that you can just basically copy and paste. He gives you access to his private Facebook group, Apex Authors, where you can ask questions and get answers from other students and authors. He gives you 8 weeks of live group coaching, which is huge. Most people charge thousands of dollars for that. And all the training systems and software is all included. There's no surprise costs. So who would this be good for? This would be great for parents to do with their kids. Any parent that wants to start making money from home and spending more time with your kids, this would be great for you. Stay-at-home moms, this would be amazing. You could do this with your kids or for your kids. This would even be good for kids to do on their own. It's super easy. Have your kids start a side business writing kids books. Who better to write books for kids than kids? And it's really for anyone looking for a fun and easy way to make money from home or to make passive income online. So what are the pros? The main pro for me is that this is actually a fun way to make passive income online. And when somebody asks you, like, what do you do for a living? You get to say, I'm a best-selling children's book author. Like, I write kids books. Like, how cool is that? I just think that that's so cool. That's a question that you get asked so much. And to be able to get to say that and talk about the books that you write, like, it's gonna be so fun and just easy to market yourself. Another big pro for me is that the creator doesn't fill you with a whole bunch of hype and fluff and nonsense. He just gives it to you straight. Another huge pro is that children's books are an evergreen market, meaning that kids will always be reading books. It's never gonna go out of style or off trend. It's gonna be there forever. Kids books will always be in demand. Another huge pro, it's easily scalable. I mean, think book series. Like, you could scale this very easily. Just keep writing books, keep marketing to more people. It's very easy to scale. You don't need a bunch more money or employees to make more money. Another big pro is that for how much content you get and how much live training you get, it is really affordable. Every other training or course that I've seen where they offer live coaching is thousands and thousands of dollars. So it's super affordable. The one con about this program is that it's definitely not a get rich quick thing. It might take you some time for your book to get traction and for you to really start selling a lot of them. I always like to try to throw in some testimonials and other reviews from other people who have gone through the program so that you don't just hear it from me. So here's a couple of testimonials and reviews from students who have gone through the program or have just started it. Joshua Colbert writes, I started writing my first kids book 5 minutes after watching the webinar. It took me 2 hours to complete. That's fast. That's cool. Gloria Daniels writes, I know now it's possible to build residual income from Kindle publishing without wasting time or money. I've already written my first children's book this weekend. I'm so excited. And Karen and Katrina write, we have published over 40 books on Amazon and are making up to $10,000 per month. You taught us how to do it. So lots of successful students, lots of happy people making this work. So how much does it cost? Originally, if you go to their website and you just buy it from there, it's $997. If you click the link in my description and buy it with my link, you get 50% off, and it is $497 for the entire thing. Lifetime access, no upsells, no hidden costs. $497. And there is a 30-day 100% money back guarantee. I always like to give you a list of my final thoughts. Final thought number one, this is a fun and easy program. Super fun and super easy. Literally anybody can do it, even your kids. Number two, it's crazy affordable and you get a ton of done for you content and step-by-step over-the-shoulder instruction. Number three, this is a good way for literally anyone to make money from home. You don't have to be technical. You don't have to have any certain skills. It's good for literally anyone. Number four, this is a super passive way to make money online. You do some work, you write the book, and then after that, you just keep making money over and over and over every time somebody buys one of your books. And my last final thought, this would just be a great way for you to start a business with your kids. And I just think that that is really cool. My final verdict is that I highly recommend this course. It's fun and easy, and it was created by a down-to-earth guy who wrote a best-selling children's book with his son. They make 7 figures in passive income from that per year, and they are now showing you how to do the exact same thing. You can click the link in my description if you're interested. It'll take you to the webinar that'll show you everything about how it works and then give you the option at the end to purchase it for the discounted price. Thanks for tuning in for another review with Get Free with Annie. Go out and get free.